What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to create professional photos with Davinci AI. So first of all, go to davinci.ai, that's their website, and create your account. The sign up process is quick, easy and straightforward. And here, as you can see, I have the place where I need to enter my prompt or describe the photo that I want to generate. And you can control the style, if it's like Van Gogh, magical portrait, prophecy, like super realistic, or any other style. However, most of them are pro, as you can see. Let's go for futuristic. And here the model is SDXL or DaVinci Ultra. So let's choose DaVinci Ultra. The ratio, let's go for, or let's keep it as square. And then let's, for example, say a cat eating ice cream. Okay, and then generate. And here it generates like three different copies or three different versions of the photo. As you can see, it's pretty quick. It generated a futuristic looking photo of a cat eating ice cream. If you want to see the other two versions, you need to subscribe to the Pro plug. And from here, you can edit your prompt even more to have a more precise image.